Hello everyone, we will discuss today complex number. Okay, so in the complex number you have studied that in a linear equation of one variable or two variables, or in the quadratic equation we have seen that this problem, when this problem type of problem comes, x square plus 1 is equals to 0, so like this equation you can't find out the solution, right? Because this equation solution has no solution. Okay, this equation has no solution. So how to find out this kind of problem, how to solve this kind of problem? So to solve this kind of problem we use with the help of complex number. Okay, so with the help of complex number we have to solve this question. Like if you want to find out the value of x, so how can you find x square is equals to minus 1, right? You can write this. So if every square of the number, if every number square of the number is a non-negative, right? So here value of x is what? Plus minus and root minus 1, right? It is a non-negative number, right? Every number is within square root is a non-negative number, right? So what? We can here see that the value of I or minus I is what? Is the value of under root minus 1. Okay? Means we can here solve I square is equals to, here we solve the I square is equal to minus 1. We put this value of I square, okay, from this question. So here now we will solve other problems which is based on this. First we understand the properties of this. Okay, so what is the properties? Like if we take the addition, so in addition we have seen that closure properties and commutative properties, associative properties, all the properties that hold are not in the complex number. So let's just check out. Okay, so first we solve the closure property. Okay, क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी में हम क्या देखते हैं? हम देखते हैं कि कोई भी अगर हम दो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर ले रहे हैं, लाइक z1 इज a प्लस आई बी एंड z2 इज इक्वल टू c प्लस आई डी. दीज आर टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, राइट? So if you have two complex numbers and if you add these two complex numbers, right, means z1 plus z2, this also belongs to the complex number. Okay, I will denote here the complex number with capital C. Okay, so here you can add these two numbers and this number belong to the complex number. So this is called the complex property, the closure property. Okay, so a plus ib plus c plus id. So here you can write a plus c plus I, b plus d. This number also belongs to the complex number, right? Because this is also type of a plus ib. Okay, so this is complex number. This is follow the closure property of the complex number. Okay, so this is the one property. Let's understand the second property. Okay, second property is commutative property. Okay, commutative property. So in the commutative property, what we have understood that if we take two number z1 z2, so like these numbers are a plus ib and c plus id. Okay, so what if you add z1 plus z2 is equal to z2 plus z1. Okay, this is called the commutative property. z1 plus z2 is equal to z2 plus z1. This belongs to the complex number. Okay, like you can use this number here, a plus ib plus c plus id is equal to c plus id plus a plus ib. You can also this number write in this way. Okay, this is all belong to the complex property for all complex number. These belongs to the for all complex number. Okay, every property here that I am solving here, that belongs for every complex number. Okay, now the third is associative. Okay, what? Third is associative property. Okay, so in the associative property what we have studied that z1 z2 z3, if you have three complex number are three complex number So what? Z1, Z2 and Z3. Operation is addition, right? So Z1, Z2 plus Z3 is equal to Z1, Z2 plus Z3. This is belongs to the complex number, right? This is all that belongs to the complex number for all complex, right? For all complex number, this property belong into the associative property. So this will hold, okay? Okay, let's come to the fourth one. That is identity, okay? You can say additive identity also. So additive identity, I can say identity. So we all know that in the additive identity will be 0, right? So for any number, additive identity will be 0. So well, we can solve this like 0 plus I 0. So here this also belongs to the complex number, right? You can take any number that belongs to the complex number, okay?